Hi fam, a very good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog we're gonna take delivery for this new R15M, which is the MotoGP edition. One of my friend is buying it, so yeah, I thought of making a video of it because it is one of my favorite color he's gonna get. So yeah, I'm right now heading to the showroom from my home. I have to pick up Vishal as well, so I would be going to his home, after which we both will go to the showroom. Let's slide to this traffic and not. I also have to refuel my bike. I don't think there is much fuel left. So yeah, this temple is a bit famous, which is very close to my house. So yeah, you can see all the puja happening over there. Oh, let's just cross this rush. Let me cross this traffic. Until then, you go watch that intro and we'll see you at Vishal's home. Chalo. There is this construction going on since past 2 months. We will have to wait for some more time to get this road completely done. Yeah, Vishal is waiting for us already. We just gonna pick him up and get to the showroom. Chalo.
Hi bro.
So yeah, we are very close to the showroom. We are getting this near this Metuguda Yamaha. I don't know the dealership name, but yeah, we are gonna get this bike from this showroom. As you all know, the bike on-road price and all that I will reveal it in a while. But for now, let's get to the showroom. We are already late. They all are waiting for us. Let's just go over there and grab some smiles on the camera. Chalo. Yo boys, are finally here. Wow, a V4 black one. I thought it was in multi-strada. Chalo, let's call them and see where are they and get to see the bike. Until then, you guys go watch the cinematic shot.
Deep in the dark, down on my I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go. I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. That I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
We have this official quotation. Let me show you what's there. See, the total price for the bike is 2,10,346, and we paid an advance of 40,000. We just paid this 1,70,000, which is rest, and we got this bike. Chalo. You can see this R15M. Yeah, how cool it is looking, right? Chalo. Looks like a premium bike, right? Wow. Right, bye, bro. We are going over there, and I will take a U-turn from over there, and will directly go to my home. So overall experience, the bike was good, looks premium, and it has the feel to it. But yeah, we'll also ask bike for to make a video on that. So that I could explain you and do a small ride review with that bike soon, because today is the first day and I don't want to ask him about the bike, like can I get a bike for a drive or like that. Chalo guys, hope you like this video. If you like, do subscribe, share, and do comment below your feedback on the video. Oh god. Chalo, see you until another vlog. Stay safe, have a wonderful day.